Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Are you running short of wheat flour or idli batter or dosa batter to prepare some breakfast recipes? Then this recipe is at your hand. You can prepare this with simple ingredients that are available in your kitchen, and also this is one of the most famous Indian dishes, I must say. So let us see how to prepare this. Take a bowl and add 1 full cup of rice flour into it, and then add a pinch of asafoetida, and then 4 to 5 chopped chilies and curry leaves. Now add pinch of turmeric and salt to taste and mix all the dry ingredients. Now for 1 full cup of rice flour, you need to add half a cup of curd or yogurt. Now mix the curd nicely and then add half a teaspoon of baking soda and then add water little by little. For preparing this batter, you need 1 full cup of water, but do not add the entire water at a time. Add little by little and check the consistency, because the batter consistency depends on the curd you are adding. So once you're done with preparing the batter, in the end add 1 teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter and then stir it nicely. Put it aside. Now the second most important ingredient for our recipe is the banana leaf. So cut banana leaf into these shapes and then add 2 to 3 drops of oil and spread it nicely, and add 1 ladle of the batter we have prepared on the leaf and gently just press down and rotate it as if we are preparing a dosa, but don't put it into a thinner one. You won't get a perfect shape. Now grease with oil another banana leaf and then dab gently and place it on top of it, pressing the edges. Now take a idli cooker or a pressure cooker and then place a stand and then a bowl. On top of it put a plate so that the bottom water won't mix with the banana leaves we are putting in. Now add one by one and close the lid and allow it to steam for 25 minutes, and that's it. Your hot pankis are ready. Yes, this is a traditional Gujarati Indian dish called panki. This is very simple, very easy, yet very healthy, because we are preparing this recipe in a banana leaf. Now banana leaf is rich in polyphenols and it helps us to fight our diseases. So this is very tasty also. You don't need any batters to ferment and then you need to prepare this. This is very simple and quick to prepare. And also if you have pudina chutney, try this with that and you can truly enjoy this. I hope you like this video. If you liked it, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.